If you are a Facebook group owner, you need to get the Groups Pro Chrome extension, because I tell you what, if you don't, then you are behind the curve here. You are missing the boat. This is a non-negotiable. You have to have it. And I'll tell you why. Number one, it's going to save you a lot of time, because listen, as people come into your Facebook group, you need to capture the information. You need to put it in your autoresponder, and you need to follow up, right? The money is made in the follow-up. And the Groups Pro Chrome extension does just that. It automates that entire process seamlessly. And this is the beauty behind it. When I first got set up with my Facebook group, I got the Chrome extension, and within like 2 minutes, the thing was up and running and it worked flawlessly. It was easy. It integrated right with my autoresponder. I use ActiveCampaign, and it was just like, boom, people were starting to join. Their email address was getting automatically pulled over to my autoresponder. It was triggering the automation, and I was sending follow-ups constantly without any effort. It was amazing. So if you are a Facebook group owner, you got to get the Groups Pro Chrome extension.